Hi everybody, are you ready for some joy? Okay, I am going to just show you what's in the kit and talk a little bit about what it's for. In case you bought it and you printed it out, you might wonder. So first of all, I'm going to quickly just go through the regular pages. So these will fold in half, and so there's that. I put lines on this so that you could journal on it. I tried to do a mixture of pink and blue and even a little violet, some green. There's the violet. And some different shades. Now this is kind of beat up because if you'll see in my next video, you'll see why. But that's a different shade of pink. Here's some purple and some aqua. Kind of a peachy color. A little bit more peachy pink. Some more violet. And that's it. Now, let me show you the add-on kit real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the add-on kit. And so you've got the 5 tags. And these are the reverse side of these. So here's the thing. If you cut these apart and glue them, these are different sizes. I apologize. One of these days I'm going to remember to go back and change the template. But some are narrower than others. So you want to match the tag to the counterpart on the page just to make sure they fit each other. The other thing you can do is use them separately and have 10 tags instead of 5. And then this little grace down here I made to go with, I made 4 mini envelopes. And then I made these little messages that will fit into the envelope. So you've got love, peace, joy, and then grace had to fit over on this page. So that's what those are for if you want to use them for that. So then, let's see. So there's that. So then we might as well get into this. So this will be the cover of the folio. And it has a tab, and it will glue like into an album page. I mean, a journal page. So if your journal page is folded like this, you'll glue this page onto the edge, and it'll fold over it like this. And then it has 2 flaps that go over top and bottom. So it's I called it a 3-flap folio because you'll have 1, 2, 3, and that's what these are. And then the flaps will have a reverse side so that when you open them, it'll be pretty. So you have two of these. One set has the tabs for gluing them on, and the other set does not because they're just going to be on the reverse side. Now you can choose which one you want to show on the outside. It's up to you. Then I have these 2 stacked pockets that go on one of the flaps. It actually goes on the top flap so that when you open it up, you'll have these pockets. The bottom flap, maybe that's what I'm thinking. It'll be so that when you have the flaps open, this will be showing, and then this one overlaps this one, so it'll glue on here. And then these are the 2 pockets that show, whichever 2 you pick. And this is the pocket that goes, like when you open this page up, there's a blank page. So I made this to be a pocket if you want it to be on that page. And then I have this right here, and this is what I'm calling the seal for the 3-flap folio. And so if you cut that out, so when it's closed, you'll have your page will fold over, you'll have your top flap, your bottom flap, well, your bottom flap and your top flap. Then you'll glue this seal around it like a pocket, and the top flap will tuck in that, and it'll keep it closed. So that's what those are for. Of course, you can do whatever you want, do it however you'd like it, but those are kind of what I had in my mind when I designed it. And hopefully that accounted for everything. Oh, no, it did not. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry. So when you open this page, This will make more sense when we do it, but I just thought I better tell you up front if you're wondering ahead of time, like, what are all these pieces for? When you have this open, so you'll open this flap, on the other side of it will be these pockets, and it'll go one this way and one this way, and it's two parts. It's got a little pocket, and then it has a flap that goes down over the top of it, and we'll put those little circle closures with the string on those. So there's two of those when you open this up. Okay, I think that's it. It's a little complicated, but it'll be real clear when we make it. So then I have just a couple little extra tags, a little banner. These I made larger than 1 inch so that you could take them, and if you trim them close, you could stick it in a 1 inch punch and center it and just use a punch to cut it out, because I don't know about you, but I hate cutting circles out. They're just really hard. So use your 1 inch punch if you want to on those. You'll lose some of that pink edge, but that's why I made it thick, so that you could, so you could cut it out and not mess anything up. And then there's 3 tabs. I'm going to use these for tabs. I'm going to cut circles out of some other paper for the back side of them. So I call these all tabs. So I counted them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs, but you can do whatever you want with them. This is the 4 pocket, I forgot now what I call it, but it's 4 pockets. You take this right here, you take this over here and this over here, and you glue them this way. So you got 2 corner pockets. And then you take this triangle and you put your glue here and down the middle and glue it up here. And that gives you a tuck spot here, over here, and then the 2 corners. So you've got 4 pockets basically. So that's what that is. Here's some tickets. This is just a journal card for you to do whatever you want with. Here's a pressed flower card, or whatever you want to put in it. We'll cut that window out and put some transparent cellophane or something in there. This is a pocket that goes the length of a page so that you can put it on, and then when it folds in half, each of the 2 pages will have a pocket on the bottom. Here's 2 more tags. Those will fold together and make 1 tag if you want it to, or you can use them as 2 separate tags. Here's a big tag. Here's a sheet with these cute French frames. 2, 4, 6, 8 of these with scriptures about joy, or phrases about joy. And then here are 2 more big journal cards. And then these are side tuck pockets. So you'll cut these out, and they're big enough that you can turn them sideways and either stitch them or glue them on the edge of pages, and that'll be a tuck pocket. And I suggested here you can either cut it as a rectangle, or if you want to take your scissors and just kind of follow that curve, that would be a really cute edge too. I'll lift it up to you. And then here's a page with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 journal cards, 6 journal cards. Oh, here's another piece of that. Okay, now this is a side pocket that's made to go on one of the flaps of that folio we talked about a minute ago. So that's what that piece is for. It will fit on there as a side pocket. So it will show up when we put that together. This is a 3-layered pocket. Here's the bottom. No, wait, here's the top. This will be the bottom, and this will be the middle layer. So they kind of go like that, and they look braided when you get done. This is just an extra corner pocket. And then here we have a large envelope and a medium envelope, and then 2 circles for you. And that is the add-on kit. So if you want to come along, we're going to put this thing together and have some fun, and I will see you in the next video. If you like this kit, like the video, click like. Think about subscribing. I would appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.